the Green Partnership Agreement signed between Denmark and Pakistan will give us opportunities of greater cooperation in renewable energy, and Denmark has included Pakistan in the Danish Energy Transition Initiative. This will help us promote our capacity building within the Ministry of Energy and how we can move ahead in this direction. We also discussed the advantages of enhanced parliamentary interaction and the need to promote it. I asked the Foreign Minister to look at the visa categorization that we have been put into and have a fresh look at the travel advisory that we have between our two countries. I thanked him for the support we've received on GSP Plus status from Denmark, and I'm looking forward to his continued support in the days ahead. I also shared with him the concrete steps Pakistan has taken in FATF, which are concrete, comprehensive, verifiable, and how Denmark should play its role in helping Pakistan out of the grey list. So I will conclude by thanking you once again for your visit to Pakistan, and hopefully, collectively, we will work together to build a better bilateral relationship and to see that our region is peaceful and stable. Thank you.